Hello, everyone. In this video, we will learn the switch statement in C++. The switch statement is used when we want to compare a single value with multiple fixed values. First, let us understand the syntax of the switch statement. Here, the expression can be an integer or a character. The case values can also be numbers or characters. The break statement stops execution, and default executes when no case matches. Now let us see a simple example using numeric values. The user enters a day number. The switch checks the value. 1 prints Monday, 2 prints Tuesday, 3 prints Wednesday. If the number doesn't match, the default prints invalid day. This code takes a character input from the user and uses the switch statement to check if it's a vowel or consonant. The case labels use characters in single quotes, and multiple cases are grouped to handle both lowercase and uppercase vowels. If the input doesn't match any case, the default block prints that it's a consonant. Now let's quickly see the difference between switch and if-else. Switch is used to compare a single variable with multiple fixed values, while if-else can handle any condition. Switch works with int, char, and checks only equality, whereas if-else works with any type and can use relational or logical conditions. Switch is cleaner for many cases and sometimes faster, while if-else is better for complex logic. That's all about the switch statement in C++. We learned how to use it with numbers and characters, and saw how it's different from if-else. See you in the next one.